Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Victorinox luggage parts is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of a smooth travel experience. This video will delve into the key features and functionalities of Victorinox luggage components, helping you understand what makes them stand out and how to choose the perfect parts for your luggage, ensuring your bags are ready for any adventure. Number 5. OwnMy 70mm Luggage Wheels. Are your suitcase wheels worn out? Don't replace your whole suitcase. These replacement wheels are here to help. Replacing your old wheels is simple. Just follow the included instructions and you'll be rolling smoothly in no time. Before ordering, please measure your old wheels to ensure these are the right fit. All dimensions are shown in the product images. These high-quality rubber and metal wheels are built to last. They provide a smooth, quiet roll for a more enjoyable travel experience. Each set includes 2 wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches, everything you need for a complete replacement. Upgrade your luggage with these replacement wheels and enjoy smoother, quieter travel. Get yours today. What we like. If you need a reliable replacement that's quiet and smooth, this is a great option. It's built to last and provides a comfortable rolling experience. If you value longevity and a quiet ride, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very solidly constructed, the measurement instructions were spot on, and the install was a cinch. I've bought these wheels 2 times now. I fixed my duffel bag wheels and now my Oakley carry-on. The old rubber liner fell off and caused a loud noise going down the airport. I bought these wheels and replaced and work great. Really quiet and roll smooth and the wheel barring spin smooth. These suitcase wheels appear to be well made and worked when installed on my suitcase. Number 4. Rollerex VXT 500 Wheels. These high-performance wheels are built to last. They're perfect for upgrading your existing equipment. Made from durable, abrasion-resistant urethane, they offer superior performance. Experience a smooth and enhanced ride. Each pack includes 2 wheels, bearings, spacers, and washers, everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Use them on your ripstick, inline skates, or even hockey roller blades. They are incredibly versatile. Choose from 6 vibrant colors to match your style. Find the perfect color to express yourself. Rollerex is committed to quality. If you're not satisfied, contact us within 30 days for a full refund. What we like. These wheels are designed for high-impact use and are incredibly durable. They're also versatile, suitable for various applications beyond luggage. If you need a tough, adaptable wheel, this is the one for you. What people say. They roll forever and are very smooth. These fit just fine and really looked cool. They are quiet, smooth rolling, and were easy to install. Number 3. Replacement Luggage Wheels. Is your luggage hard to roll? These replacement wheels will give your suitcase a smooth, quiet ride. Replacing your old wheels is quick and simple. Get your suitcase rolling smoothly again in minutes. They feature precision ABC 7 bearings for a buttery smooth glide. Experience significantly reduced rolling resistance. These wheels are built to last. The reinforced PU and metal core can withstand the rigors of baggage handling. Say goodbye to annoying wheel noise. These high-density PU wheels are incredibly quiet, perfect for any environment. Everything you need is included: 2 80mm wheels, axles, washers, wrenches, and screws. It's a complete replacement kit. What we like. This option provides an ultra-smooth and quiet ride, thanks to its high-quality bearings. It's also built to withstand the rigors of travel. If a silent, smooth ride is your priority, then choose this one. What people say. Rough handling by the airline resulted in the loss of a wheel from one of my Samsonite bags recently, which made it nearly impossible to push the bag around. After carefully measuring the 3 remaining wheels, I found this was a perfect match for size, but not style, which I didn't care about. The hardest part of installing it was removing the remnants of the old wheel. Once I did that, this guy was super easy to put in its place and works perfectly. The wheels on my traveling tool case only lasted about 6 months before I started having issues with them. The bearings on one wheel locked up while the other wheel started wobbling and lost its bearings. I ordered these as replacements and they are working great. They roll much easier than the original wheels and fit perfectly. Easy to install. I put these on an older American tourist suitcase, went on vacation. They held up in the airport. I'm very pleased. I think these are better than the original. Number 2. OwnMy 80mm Luggage Wheels. Are your suitcase wheels worn out? These replacement wheels are the perfect solution. They're easy to install and will make your luggage roll smoothly again. Before ordering, please measure your old wheels. Make sure they match the dimensions shown in our images to ensure a perfect fit. Replacing your old wheels is simple. Just remove the old ones, attach the new ones, and secure them with the included screws and washers. This kit comes with 2 high-quality rubber wheels, axles in 2 lengths, screws, washers, and wrenches, everything you need for a complete replacement. These durable wheels are made of high-quality rubber and metal. They're designed to be wear-resistant, long-lasting, and quiet, ensuring smooth rolling. Enjoy smoother, quieter travel with these replacement wheels. They'll extend the life of your suitcase and make your journeys more enjoyable. What we like. This is another durable and silent option that ensures a smooth rolling experience. It's a reliable choice for extending the life of your luggage. If you prioritize a quiet, smooth, and long-lasting solution, this is for you. What people say. Good replacement for my wheels that fell apart. Seems sturdy enough. Easy to install. A quick 5-minute replacement using a Phillips screwdriver and she's got a smoother rolling backpack. Great value, the size is perfect for the wheel well. There is no noise when she walks with her backpack. These replacement luggage wheels are at least as good, if not better, than those you are replacing. High-quality rubber and heavy-duty bearings make these quiet and smooth with no pulling to one side. 2 sizes of axles and extra washers are included so you can install the wheels and not have any drift or wobble. Number 1. ORO Luggage Wheels 8024mm. These replacement wheels are perfect for your suitcase, offering a smooth and quiet ride. Made from high-quality polyurethane, they're durable and long-lasting. They're made of high-quality polyurethane, ensuring a quiet and smooth roll. This material is also highly resistant to wear and tear. With an outer diameter of 80mm and a width of 24mm, these wheels are designed for a perfect fit. They come with 2 axle sizes for added convenience. The kit includes everything you need for a seamless replacement. You'll receive 2 wheels, axles, washers, wrenches, and rivets. Replacing your old wheels is easy. Simply remove the old ones with a hacksaw and install these new ones using the included repair kit. These versatile wheels are compatible with a variety of luggage, scooters, and other wheeled devices. Always double-check your measurements before ordering. What we like. This set offers a quiet and durable solution for various applications. The multiple axle sizes included make it compatible with a wider range of luggage. If you need a versatile and quiet replacement, this is a great option. What people say. The size was as described and there were no problems with the wheels. Replacement, in my case, was simple. These replacement wheels worked well on luggage. Like the bearings for smooth rolling. This product is as described. After ordering 2 other brand which had incorrect measurements, it was great to finally find a brand set that was correct. These for my LL Bean rolling suitcase by using the original bolt. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.